Hello, welcome to my apartment. So if you remember, I've done one of these videos before. Thank you to Lauren for filming. It'll pop up here. I did like a trumpet studio tour. And that one was way too long, so we're gonna try and keep this one a little shorter. I'm not gonna show you everything, but I'm gonna show you some stuff. So as you walk in, we'll come over this way first. We've got Wayne up here. This is my roommate's picture. You may have seen it in my basement at my house. I also have a poster. This is our little dining room area. This is not my table, this is my roommate's. We've got some, Lauren and I polished this off last night, so I'm gonna go get some more. Just various snacks and stuff. Garbage out here. Huge kitchen. Huge kitchen. I can't imagine living with a place with a bigger kitchen. You know, it's just so big. Teddy and I have never been able to be in here at the same time because it's so small. We have a dishwasher though, that's awesome. That doesn't come with apartments. I should also say, this is being filmed during the coronavirus if you're watching this in the future. So yeah, I don't know what that makes a difference, but just so you know. My roommate also doesn't really live here anymore. He lives with his girlfriend, so it's just me. But anyways, Lauren also cleaned. That's why we're doing this video.
Yeah, it's very clean.
It is.
Clean, clean, clean.
I just got this replaced because it like blew a big spark, but now it's good. It's just a kitchen. We have a pretty nice fridge, freezer. Just, am I missing anything?
No, I think you've got it covered, Adam.
Alright, cool. Over here is my living room. Teddy and I never really spent much time in here. We spent most of our time in our rooms because we're both very quiet, introverted people. But this is the living room. It looks way different because of the coronavirus, though, honestly. Just because all my music stuff is piled up over here. Did not normally look like that. This little TV normally didn't have that here. This was here. This is my roommate's futon. This is Lauren's futon here. She let me borrow it, so thank you to the Cook family for letting me use it for 2 years.
The disco ball.
Oh yeah, that's Teddy's disco ball. But this used to be in my room. I moved it out here because I live here alone now. So.
And your beautiful decor, we can't forget.
Yes.
I don't know if you can see it because this light is.
That is the Dead Fat Hawaiian Man. I'll link that video below.
And then, can you show that sign? No, that one.
Oh. This is Brett Favre.
Brett Favre, but
if you're smoking in this house, that's from our friend Ben Sawyer got us that. This I got from Trumpet Christmas. Matt Chapman gave this to me. Nice guy. Brett Favre there, I found it at Goodwill. This I think fell back down here. I've got a cajon here, but
hold it down because the light's a little.
Like this?
Oh, perfect.
Baby, we haven't used it. It's a chalkboard and we don't have chalk. But I'm planning, I was gonna say where I'm living to, in case someone wants to move here, but I'm not gonna because my sister's moving in. So I'm just not gonna say where I live. Otherwise I would tell you, but a lot of this decor is staying. I'm gonna leave it here for my sister. Keyboard is staying. This is actually Emily's. She's let me use it for the past year. Cajon is mine, it's taken home. In a vlog I mentioned I stole this from NFAC, so yeah, I've got boxes back there. These are Teddy's chairs. We have an AC. It's just kind of annoying because it doesn't, it cools this room, but our rooms don't get cooled, so it's not very good. Lauren pointed me to go over this way.
It's because the lighting is all like making it super dark.
So this never was really here. This is like all my trumpets and some of my music. It's not normally like this. This is my friend Brian's poster for his recital. We have a stand here, but I keep it upside down because I like it upside down because Brian's a great guy. This is something I got from Professor Turney, my teacher. And if you read here, I got an A+, and he wrote best presentation I've ever seen.
Then whose is this?
Well, this Teddy got an A++. And he said, amazing, best student I've ever had. It was interesting because I hung mine up, and then like the next day Teddy hung that one up. So I'm almost wondering if Teddy wrote that on out of spite because he was jealous of me. I don't know. But this is my friend Arthur. We have him up. And I'm going to leave this here for my sister as well. She might take it down. But yeah, there's also a hole that's white out.
No, we took some paint to it too.
Oh, did we? Oh, that was a
tried putting the
vlog from
patch over
almost a
it.
year ago. But I also forgot to mention, I don't know if you'll be able to see it with the light, but this was like it when we came here. I still don't know what it is. This isn't an amazing apartment. This is like a college apartment. It's not great, but it's okay. But yeah, I've got my base here. When I walk the base. Lights and stuff, that's all mine. This is the hallway.
That's Adam and Teddy.
Oh,
I love us.
Yeah, I found that at a Goodwill too. This is Teddy's bathroom. I'm not going to show you that. This is Teddy's room. I'm not going to show you that either. This is our shared closet. That's kind of a mess. But we got like a vacuum. This is Lauren's Christmas tree. That's kind of up against there. So sorry about that. She won't take it back.
You
We
got
should
all
take
these
that back
cans,
this
though.
weekend. Yeah, I'm saving this. This is over the course of like a year probably I've been doing this. I mean, that'll be a different video. I'll let you know how much money I make from the cans. I also have a fly swatter here. Lauren, I'll show you when that.
I feel like it's unnecessary, but okay.
What?
To point out a fly swatter.
I'll get to that.
Oh, you should have shut your blinds.
Okay. Well, so this is my room. It looks a little different than it normally does, but is that better?
I don't know how to do
You're
this vlog and
ridiculous.
stuff.
You're ridiculous. This is my room. Lauren just cleaned it, so it looks great. I helped her though, didn't I? Say yes. I did.
Yes.
I have a humidifier here, in case I need it. This is stuff. We've got Wynton Marsalis up here. Bill Evans quote with a trumpet on it. Bill Evans is a piano player, but when you play music, you discover a part of yourself that never existed. We have a lion thingy that says, "Be strong in the Lord and in His mighty power." Got some storage here. Most of my CD collection.
Oh, yeah.
Right there. Ever growing. This is my grandma's old chair. I like it a lot though. It's nice. It's a nice chair. End table. Wonderful bed. It's got a squishy thing on it. It's very nice. Very nice. 2 fans. Pro tip. If you have a window like this, one fan blows air out, other fan blows air in. You get the circulation. Genius. Lamp. PS4 controllers are currently charging. Stuff, Kleenex box, iPad. This is Liz, my plant. The reason my plant's name is Liz is because it's called like, what is it, mother-in-law's tongue
Yeah,
or something?
like that.
It's a type of fern, I think. I love Liz though.
I don't think that's a fern.
It's, yeah, alright.
Comment down below what kind of plant this is.
It's a ficus or something. But yeah, this is Liz. She's doing well. She's growing. This I got from Arizona when we went to visit Lauren's grandparents. This is Tohano.
The cactus.
The cactus, yes. And Lauren and my mom both had a cactus. Yours was Pokey,
Yeah.
and my mom's was
Pokey.
Mom and Dad's was
long
Leslie.
gone.
Leslie also died. So Tohano is the lasting member. Lauren got me this. I'm kind of a big deal. Because I am kind of a big deal.
No, it's because you always say that.
And then I have just pens, pencils, stapler, just office supplies. These are 2 different desks. This is like a cheap desk from Amazon. This I got from IKEA, and I love both of these desks, and they're like the perfect height too, so I can make an L-shaped desk. Got a printer here, Arnold Schwarzenegger. Love Arnold. Got good old Martin Luther. This is from the 500th Reformation anniversary in 2017. I played for a worship conference for that. That was fun. This is my poster board thingy. I've got a bunch of random stuff from Lauren and stuff. But yeah, and other people. This is like a bunch of thank you notes from people. This is places I performed. I want to play in all 50 states before I die. That's one of my weird little like goals I have.
Goodness.
We'll see if I get it. Some of them I kind of performed in already, but I don't count them. But anyways, I've got a computer under there, a big PC. I don't use it very often. It's an old one that I fixed. My parents used to have my laptop. This is where I like edit the vlogs and stuff. Drawers with stuff. I've got. This is a good book, The Inner Game of Tennis. A review will come out in probably like a year or so. Got the BIBLE. Yes, that's the book for me. Here, I've got a salt lamp. Oh.
Whoa, the power just went out.
Oh. Well, that's interesting.
You hear it kick out?
Yeah. Well, we're back on, so that's kind of cool.
Whoa.
Wonderful place I live in. So, I got some more CDs here.
Oh my gosh, what the heck?
This is weird, but I'm just gonna keep going. I got a clock here. This is from my grandma.
Oh!
This is from my grandma. She's.
What's happening?
I don't know. She's from Germany. This is from there.
Cool. Tell us about the TV area.
Okay.
You're talking a lot.
Well, I'm sorry. That's why these are so long. This is more CDs.
You already said that.
Okay. This is Lauren gave this to me.
I drew this for
She drew
Adam.
this when we first started dating. This is a pencil. That's from the one she let me borrow. It's a story of how we started dating and stuff. And I don't actually know what this is, but.
Oh,
And then this is from The Greatest Showman.
good movie.
Good movie. That was like one of our first dates. PS4 under there. And in here I've got like PS4 games and stuff. Got a tripod here. I've got some books. There's like a Lutheran Bible Companion. I used to go to school to be a pastor, so I have just some like biblical commentaries down there. This is a nice TV that I purchased. I got some speakers, games for when Lauren comes over. She's the only one who plays games with me. What do I have in here? That's like camera gear. This is my CD player. This is just some more like books. I've got International Trumpet Guild Journal, Bible, some other books. Down here I've got some energy drinks. Here is like candles and stuff. This is like my little snack bin. Got some random CDs and stuff.
The pee bottle.
Oh yeah. I used that when I went to Georgia.
Good memento.
Yeah. So I was gonna give that to Lauren for Valentine's Day, but I forgot. So
Well, and then I called, like, you were like,
yeah.
I have something to give you, and I was like, your pee bottle.
Anyways, this is a picture of me and Lauren because we're really beautiful people.
Yeah.
Steve Jobs, another inspirational person for me. I like this quote.
No, you can't see it.
Your
I don't
time.
know.
I'll read it. Your time is limited, so don't waste it living someone else's life. Don't be trapped by dogma, which is living with the results of other people's thinking. Don't let the noise of others' opinions drown out your own inner voice. And most important, have the courage to follow your heart and intuition. They somehow already know what you truly want to become. Everything else is secondary. Stay hungry, stay foolish. Steve Jobs. Cool quote.
The power's out.
Oh yeah. Well, this is an interesting one. We're just gonna keep going though. So in here, that's okay. There's not really much. This is my closet.
You got the phone flashlights.
This is my closet.
Fancy dress clothes.
Yeah, I have a walk-in closet, which is kind of crazy. In here, I got more clothes, stuff. Down here, I've got supplements, kind of, and like protein. And I've got a lot of 3D. Can you see that okay? Mm-hmm. If we come in behind here, I got more stuff. Just back up some stuff. I've got some Tiege Hanley. We've got some Tiege. Did more supplements, some shorts, and some various things. This is my bathroom. Lauren cleaned it.
Yeah, I'm kind of bummed you can't see it.
It's spotless. I'm not good about cleaning things.
Hi, vlog.
So Lauren
They can't see.
Lauren did a killer job with this. So
Toilet.
yeah.
Scale. Adam's dirty fan.
Yeah, Lauren didn't clean that.
Oh, okay. Well, I cleaned a lot of other stuff too.
Okay. Well, that's everything. That was a weird one with the power going out, but I think that's. Am I forgetting anything, Lauren?
I don't
Anything
think so.
else that I want to say? I've loved living here the past 2 years. It's been nice. I'm moving out in about a month, so yeah. I hope you enjoyed this crib tour. There'll be more to come when I live in other places. So that's all. If you liked the video, please give me a big old thumbs up, hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so that you never miss another video with me. Comment below how cool my place is, and I'll see you on the next crib tour or whatever other videos are coming out. Bye!